FEELNEEDY just gifted me their cat water fountain, and I am so excited to put this to the test, as I really do think this is the future of cat water fountains, in that it's a one and done purchase. You get this cat water fountain and you never need to buy filters again because the water is not circulating. Your cat is getting fresh water on a regular basis when you schedule it. Instead, the way this is designed is that it has a clean tank and a dirty tank, and it takes water from the clean tank to fill the bowl, dumps that bowl into the dirty tank at intervals, and then refills it with clean water. Simple as that. So let me show you exactly what you get here. As you can tell, I have yet to take it out of the box because I really want to give you a first impression video, but these are all of the elements. Now here's everything that comes out of the box. I know it looks like a lot, but this goes together so cleanly. I'll start with the base. It has all of your lights and controls on it. It's going to flash at you when the battery's low or when the wastewater is full, and then it has this unlock refresh button at the bottom. Right here, you can choose how much water it will fill the stainless steel bowl with, from low, medium, or high fill. And then this button right here will let you choose how often it'll refill, between 3 hours, 6 hours, or every 12 hours. And then under here, you have your on-off switch. So once you turn it on, those will all light up with whatever your choices are. And you have your USB-C port. And I'm gonna turn it off right now since I don't have it all set up yet, but really clean there. Now it does have a 2000 milliampere battery, which is not a huge battery, but this doesn't actually need that much power, since all it's doing is tipping the bowl and then filling the bowl on one of those set intervals. It should last many weeks, 2 months between charges. It does come with a nearly 6-foot beautiful braided USB-C to USB-A cord to charge it, so you can plug it in at all times, or you can just leave it running on battery. How I like using these is that I will wait till that battery light blinks at me, and then I will plug them into a power bank, because I do not have any outlets near my water fountain, and power banks just make it really easy for me to charge these without moving them from where they're placed. Now let's get into the components. This is your stainless steel bowl. The exterior is plastic, but where your cat drinks is stainless steel. That's great for preventing any chin acne. And it clips right into this element right here. It does have a release button on it, so when you need to take it off, you will need to press that release button to have it come right off. Otherwise, it's not going anywhere. This is your clean water tank, and it really does just pop right on like that. And before I pop it on, I do want to show that it actually has the water little pump right there. So that is so cool to see, that you can see exactly where the water is going to run. And you can even take this tube out and fully clean it. Now I'm going to tell you right now that that is incredible. I have tested, again, similar style of water fountains, and there's no way to access the piping from the clean tank to the bowl. And the fact that I can access this, and now I can see that I can clean all of those elements, is standout. So that's a really smart and thoughtful addition. That's only a little awkward to put back on, but not too bad. So that just clips right down. You'd fill that with your clean water after washing it. It has its nice lid on top. And then finally, these last two elements are your dirty water bin. So when it dumps, it's going to catch any debris on this top piece. So if your cat likes to drop their food in their water bowl, it will be dumping all of that dirty food and everything right onto this. And then it just goes right underneath. And what's so cool about this is that it is magnetic. It will also warn you when it gets full. So I'm just gonna go clean the clean water bin and the stainless steel bowl. There is no reason to clean the dirty water tank because it's only collecting dirty water anyway. I'll be right back. So I turned it on. I am already so impressed. I've already dumped it a couple times. It dumps silently. The only noise is when it's pulling the bowl in, and then it gravity feeds the water. There isn't a pump. As you saw, it was just that little tube, so really easy to keep the water tank super clean. And now my cat has fresh water until the interval where it dumps it again and does the same thing. So I'll show you that whole thing as I can just hit the refresh button and it will do it for me. So now it's doing that full dump, and then we'll go in and refill. This is exactly what I wanted. What I love about this is that my cat is not drinking circulated water. I do not have to constantly get new filters, and everything is going to stay so much cleaner thanks to the clean water reservoir and the fact that this bowl is only going to be having water in it for 3-hour intervals, as that's what I'll set it to. But even at 6-hour intervals, it's very unlikely that it's going to build much residue. It's going to stay really nice and clean for my cat. Now, I would say that at 12-hour intervals, you may need to clean the bowl a little more often as that water is sitting a little longer, but you have all the options here. Now, I'm filling it at the medium fill because that seems like a really nice height. Overall, first impression, this is fantastic. Let me see if my cat will take a drink now. Probably not, because cats don't normally like to go straight to fountains when you put them in front of them. It's not like food. Well, let's see. Now we'll see what my cat thinks. It's at the right height for him. And he's already giving a sniff, which is really good, and a headbutt. I don't know if you want to headbutt it, but he's not thirsty at the moment. So I will set this out and see if I can capture him drinking from it a few times. But until then, I am really quite impressed. This really does check all the boxes. When the first style of this kind of water fountain showed up about a year ago, I was so excited, and I've been waiting for higher quality iterations to come out, and I really do think this is quite a step up. I love how it really is designed to last. Between the gravity fill and the clean components, this really should last a long time. So if you've been looking for a cat water fountain that does not have reoccurring costs, that ensures that your kitty is getting fresh water on a regular basis and is built to last, I think you're going to love this FEELNEEDY cat water fountain.